The residents say they continue to apply protective measures against the COVID-19 pandemic are from Mukiza cell in the Mutindo sector who practice agriculture in the Akanyaru swamp bordering Burundi. In this swamp, on the Rwanda side, the work of weeding rice and harvesting beans is going well while applying the barrier measures to COVID-19. Those who cultivate in this swamp say that because the Akanyaru has overflowed and some of the Rwandan fields are on the other side, the authorities of the Gisagara district have asked them not to go to the other side so that they are not exposed to the pandemic. We have received compensation of what we have on the other side because whoever went there might not have the means to seek treatment, especially since treatment against the coronavirus is currently expensive. You understand that this was useful to us because we are able to protect ourselves. In Burundi, there are no protective measures, and if we went there, we would be exposed. It saved us from exposing ourselves to the coronavirus, and we had no contact with the Burundians. If there had been no compensation, we would go there to find something to meet the needs of our families. We had enough to feed our families, and we had no problem. The district of Gisagara indicates that it continues to strengthen protective measures against COVID-19 by applying barrier measures. Habineza Jean-Paul, the vice mayor of Gisagara district, indicates that they have opted to distribute crops in compensation so that residents are not exposed to the COVID-19. Because we knew that on the other side, no protective measures against the pandemic have been put in place, then as they had fields on the other side of Akanyaru, especially in the parts of Mukindo, Nyanza and Kigembe, we were advised to proceed with the compensation to avoid contact and exposure to COVID-19. 64 people have received compensation for cultivated rice worth 8 million Rwandan francs.